My cellar doors are really rusted out and was leaking water, and the concrete was deteriorating, and it needed a major overhaul.
What made you choose Connecticut Cellar Doors to your company?
I was looking online and reading reviews and things like that, and it was a local company, and I just felt comfortable between the reviews and looking at the product line.
How easy was it to choose the right door that you felt was going to give you the quality, but also it's outside your house, so it's, aesthetic?
That actually came with the salesman because he did the measurements. He showed us options on what to choose on, and we felt that because of his experience with the company, he probably basically knew best. But we were offered options, and we went the way we went.
So you mentioned the reviews. What about the reviews made you?
It was a positive review. It was on time. The product was an excellent product. I like the fact that they did the powder coating as an additional protection for the cellar door, and it was just a positive experience overall. I would definitely recommend Connecticut Cellar Door to anybody for a quality professional install, as you can see here, and just excellent work.